is your main objective of participating in Windergy Expo? Like, is it new product launch or competitive intelligence, or what is it exactly that you are looking for from participating here?
Okay, so first of all, I would like to introduce myself as Premlatha. I lead DGM corporate projects and I work for the company Excel group of companies. The very purpose of being to this Windergy Expo is to promote our company and also our new sector that we have stepped into the green energy concept. The new company is Excel Infra and Power Projects. So we are an upcoming solar EPC. Also in wind EPC, we will be there in another couple of months. So this is our, we think this is as a main platform to promote our company actually.
So, how has Wind Energy Expo influenced your positioning in the market?
As I said earlier, the Excel group of companies, we give end-to-end solution, like it's a one-stop solution for the companies. Of course, we work with the top renewable companies on their EXIM activities mainly. So it would be another added advantage for us to find out all the people at the same place. And so it's very helpful for us to promote the same.
Okay. So, since you have already participated in the past, would you know, if I ask you to give me a number, what is the kind of percentage of growth that wind energy has brought for you?
The earlier expo we attended is at Delhi Windergy. So comparatively, I would rate 8 out of 10 here.
Okay. So, how would you qualify the quality of the visitors that are coming in? Are they good? Are they really the influence people who are capable of making the decisions?
We can able to find here a different sector people also, like the service providers and the real IPPs, OEMs. So it's an additional knowledge gaining session. We find it like a brainstorming session, like we are able to identify more people here that we are not aware on our regular activities. So it's very useful for us comparatively.
So, what do you think about other concurrent events that are happening, like the conferences and the roundtables that are happening along with the show?
We used to register in the delegate registration, but since we are promoting our new company, this time we didn't go for the delegate registration. But the conferences earlier we attended was really a useful one, because the projection for the future we are able to analyze, and for that we can prepare ourselves and we can fetch in for the claims and services extra, whatever it is.
According to you, how important is a show like Wind Energy Expo for the Indian market right now?
Yes, to know, gain the knowledge globally, like what exactly the market is about to achieve. So we are able to know like where we are. So what is the goal has been achieved and yet to be achieved, and how we have to work to achieve that goal actually.
Right. So, would you also recommend your competitors and your industry colleagues to come and exhibit at this kind of a show?
Definitely, ma'am, because the world is wide open for everyone. So anyone can come here and promote their company. And of course, we cannot procure everything. We are not sure like what we want actually. If we have a clarity, we can go with that. So we cannot compare like our competitors. If they come and participate here, like they will be having a special credential, no? So let everyone come and enjoy over here and gain for their company.
So, one question which is out of the box right now. What do you think, is the biggest challenge that the Indian market is facing when it comes to wind energy as an industry?
Industry wise, like service, ma'am.
Right. So, do you have any feedback for Wind Energy Expo on how to make this show a little more better in the future?
The 3 days are more suffice enough to go on with, but we can pull in more global people also. The conferences can be a little bit upgraded, so that we can find more people here to collaborate with them.
Any last words for the show?
It should be Indian International.
It should be an Indian international show so that everyone will be benefited out of it.